What do you want to become when you grow up? In the journey of life, the first steps are often more important. It is a time when our lifetime journey begins. Little Learners Preschool gives a classic and scientific Montessori educational methods to the children.
We always committed to provide the time-tested education to the children and maintain a balance between modern and traditional education system.
Thank you God for food we eat. Thank you God for...
हम अभी लिटिल लर्नर्स प्री स्कूल में लोअर नर्सरी, अपर नर्सरी, किंडरगार्टन 1, किंडरगार्टन 2 तक पढ़ाते हैं.
There is a sensational learning process through audiovisual system, smart classes, which provides effective and fast learning and engaged children with communication, imagination, painting, constant improving vocabulary, and lots of learning materials in the classroom so that children can learn constantly in an inherent process of their everyday life.
We ensure the hands-off learning because everything we teach them, they are hearing it, feeling it, and touching it. As a result, the entire learning process go faster for them.
We believe Little Learners Preschool gives the ideal environment for all children where they also enjoy their classes while learning.
The playroom decorated with arts and crafts which flourishes the hidden creative talent of children and developing concentration, interaction, physical and social developments of the kids. The entire school is covered by CCTV camera to ensure a safe and disciplined administration. Send your child to Little Learners Preschool, 155 Bidhan Park, Kolkata 90, near Bidhan Park Swimming Pool. Little Learners Preschool, we really care.